going to do integration by substitution today. I think it's supposed to be case 7, not completely sure though. Sure. So the question is, by using substitution, x equals u square, integrate, evaluate integration of 1 upon x minus 2 square root of x dx. ये question. So by using the substitution x equals u square, evaluate this. Okay. When the question says use the substitution, so of course this is the case number 7 where you have to integrate using substitution. It's no other case that we've studied before. It's this case. Okay. So the substitution is x equals u square. Now what you do is you derivate this with respect to u. So when we do that, dx upon du, we get 2u here. And then you can send du to the other side. So now you know that dx is equals to 2u du. Okay, so how do you start this question? जो given substitution है उसको लिखो और फिर जो भी इधर variable है उससे derivate कर दो. So that was u, तो we do dx over du equals 2u और फिर dx को subject बना दिया तो we get 2u du. अब यहाँ पे we're going to replace x with u square and we're going to replace dx with 2u du. So integration of 1 upon x की जगह I'm writing u square minus 2 square root of x की जगह क्या आ जाएगा फिर? Square root of x is going to be just u. So u and dx will be replaced with 2u du. So now we have 2u in the denominator and u square minus 2u. Sorry, 2u in the numerator and u square minus 2u in the denominator. I'm going to take u common in the denominator and cancel it with the u in the numerator. So we get 2 upon u minus 2 du. Now it's a familiar case. We have a function in the denominator. We check whether we have its integral in the its derivative in the numerator. If we do, then the result of the integration is ln fx. So the denominator function is u minus 2. Its derivative is just going to be 1. So numerator already has a 1 in it. What you can do is take out the 2. क्योंकि constant आप integral के sign के अंदर और बाहर कर सकते हो. So we get this and this equals to 2 ln u minus 2 plus c. However, question तो x की form में था. तो अब हम देख लेते हैं कि u जो है वो किसके equal है. u will be equals to under root of 6 from here. Sorry, u will be equals to under root of x. So replace u with square root of x. So we get 2 ln square root of square root of x minus 2 plus c. चलो इसमें कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछो। चलो अगर नहीं है तो I'm going to change this question. I'm going to rub the board and change the question. Now the question is, by using the substitution x equals 1 plus u, evaluate x minus 1 power 5 dx. Okay. So again, you always start with the substitution given to you. It's x equals 1 plus u. Now you derivate it with respect to the variable at the right, which is u. So dx upon du will be, the derivative of 1 is 0 and du upon du will be 1. So dx upon du is 1. That means dx equals du. Let's apply the substitution here. X is 1 plus u. So we get this. And dx is simply du. So we have integration of 1 plus u times u du. This we've already seen in AS. You can expand the bracket, get u plus u square du. So integration of u is going to be u square upon 2. Integration of u square is going to be u cube upon 3 plus c. Now we will have to replace u with x again. So u is equals to x minus 1. So wherever you got u, replace with x minus 1. So we get x minus 1 square upon 2. एक मिनट, I've made a mistake. क्योंकि आंसर ही नहीं सही आ रहा है. Here's my mistake. कि यहाँ पे तो power 5 थी, which I did not copy after the second step. So यहाँ पे power 5 थी, तो आगे सब गलत हो गया. Let's fix that. It's going to be u power 5 plus u power 6 du. So that's going to be u6 upon 6 plus u7 upon 7 plus c. So now replace u with x minus 1. So x minus 1 power 6 upon 6 plus x minus 1 upon power 7 upon 7 plus c. Yeah, okay. कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं तो पूछो प्लीज. ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन. So the next question is, by using the substitution x equals tan u, evaluate integration of 1 over 1 plus x square dx. So start with the given substitution. X equals tan u. So the variable on the right is u. So we start with dx upon du equals, what's the derivative of tan u? It's secant square u. So that means dx equals secant square u du. So integration of 1 upon 1 plus, replace x with tan u or is पे square and replace dx with secant square u du. So the numerator is secant square u. The denominator is 1 plus tan square u. And du is here. Okay. Now, if you remember the trigonometric identities from the chapter trigonometry, let me just quickly open the formula document and cut paste it for you. अगर मुझे मिल जाए तो. Yes, found it. So look at this. Oops. Secant square u is equals to 1 plus tan square u. So if you apply that here, the numerator and denominator, they're actually the same. So they cancel out and you're left with 1. So this can be written as integration of secant square u upon secant square u du, which means it's just integration of 1 du. And what's integration of 1? It's just u. So integration of 1 is u, so u would be the answer, u plus c. However, u has to be replaced with x. So let's go back to the original substitution given to us, which is this. Up make u the subject, so u equals tan inverse x. So our answer would be tan inverse x plus c. Okay. Another one. क्वेश्चंस तो तुम लोग वैसे ही नहीं पूछते, तो पूछने का फायदा ही नहीं. So the question is that you have to use the substitution x equals 2 tan u. And you have to integrate within the limits 1 to 6 1 upon 4 plus x square dx. Okay. So like always, we start with the given substitution. X equals to tan u. The variable on the right is u, so you have to derivate this with respect to u. So we get 2 and derivative of tan u is secant square u, meaning that dx will be replaced with 2 secant square u du. Let's start the replacement. 1 upon 4 plus x square will be 2 tan u whole square, and dx is going to be 2 secant square u du. Okay. Then we get 2 secant square u du in the numerator, and we get 4 plus 4 tan square u in the denominator. Notice कि मैंने limits नहीं लिखी, अब 1 to 6 नहीं लिखी. Why did I not write the limits 1 to 6? Because the 1 and 6, they're the values of x, not the values of u. तो यहाँ पे तो अब u की फॉर्म में चेंज हो गया ना, तो यहाँ पे कोई u की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए और यहाँ पे भी u की वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, उस पर बाद में बात करते हैं. फिलहाल let's just integrate this. So 4 is common in the denominator, and we get 1 plus tan square u, और ऊपर आ गया 2 secant square u du. हमने पहले भी देखा था कि ये दोनों इक्वल होते हैं from this identity. Secant square u is actually equals to 1 plus tan square u. So this and this cancels, and we get integration of half du, which is just half u plus c. Okay, बल्कि जब लिमिट्स होते हैं तब c की तो जरूरत ही नहीं होती, जब डेफिनेट इंटीग्रल होता. So no need of c है. किधर गया? एक second, the board is stuck. Just give me. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to replace the u with किससे replace होगा? U will be replaced with tan inverse x upon 2. Make u the subject, u equals to tan inverse x upon 2. So we get half tan inverse x upon u. And now I'm going to, sorry, x upon 2. Now I'm going to substitute the limits of x, which were 1 and 6, I believe. So we get half tan inverse 3 minus half tan inverse half. जो भी इसका आंसर है, that's the answer. Let me check that. Make sure your calculator is set at radians. जब तक क्वेश्चन में डिग्री नहीं मेंशन होगा, आपके डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग रेडियंस पे होनी चाहिए. So half tan inverse 3 minus half tan inverse 0.5. 1/8 pi आंसर आ रहा है एग्जैक्ट. ठीक है. तो जब आपने 6 और 1 की लिमिट्स तब लगानी है जब आप वापस x की फॉर्म में आ गए हो. u में जब कन्वर्जन हुई है तब वो 1 और 6 की लिमिट्स एप्लीकेबल नहीं होती क्योंकि वो x की लिमिट्स u की नहीं है. ठीक है. अच्छा, एक और काम भी हो सकता था. अगर आपने u की लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है ना, तो I'm going to clear some of this working and show you how you'll get the answer by substituting the limits of u. अच्छा, अब ये जो 1 और ये जो 6 है, ये है x की वैल्यूज, राइट. और यहाँ पे हमने इंटीग्रेशन को चेंज कर दिया है u की फॉर्म में. तो हम इस x को u में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. हमें कन्वर्जन पता है कि x जो है वो 2 tan u के इक्वल है. तो जब x 6 है, so 6 will be equals to 2 tan u. So u will be equals to tan inverse 3. So ये जो अपर लिमिट आ गई है ना इधर, that would be tan inverse 3. यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं tan inverse 3. और जो लोअर लिमिट है वहां x1 था, तो 1 is equals to 2 tan u. So u equals tan inverse half. तो जो लोअर लिमिट है 1 की जगह अब आप u में लिखोगे tan inverse half, क्योंकि जब हम x को u में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो that becomes tan inverse half. अब इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें लिमिट्स. tan inverse 3 and tan inverse half. तो वही आंसर आएगा जो पहले आया. हाफ टाइम्स tan inverse 3 minus half times tan inverse 1. सॉरी, tan inverse half. तो उससे वही 1/8 पाई आ जाए. हाफ tan inverse 3 minus half tan inverse half. So सेम आंसर आएगा 1/8 पाई. सो या तो अगर u में ही लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है तो पहले ये लिमिट्स को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा u की फॉर्म में. और अगर ये नहीं करना चाहते तो मेक श्योर कि पहले फाइनल आंसर को वापस x के फॉर्म में लाओ और फिर वो ओरिजिनल 6 और 1 लिमिट सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. सो यू कैन यूज आइदर वन ऑफ द मेथड्स. ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन. Okay, so by using the substitution, x equals 5 plus u. We have to integrate from 9 to 6 x square upon square root x minus 5 dx. So x equals 5 plus u, dx upon du will be equals to 0 plus 1, meaning dx is equals to du. So I'm going to convert that into u. So I will not write the limits 9 and 6 because they're the limits for x, not the limits for u. So x gets replaced with 5 plus u. And square root x minus 5 is 5 plus u minus 5. And dx gets replaced with du. So we have 5 plus u square upon square root u du. Again, I'm not writing the limits. I'll write it at the very end when I convert it back into x. Okay. So now you know how to handle this from AS. Expand the numerator 25 plus 10u plus u square upon square root of u du. Now I'm going to bring the power up square root of u and split it. So I have 25 u power minus half plus 10 power u power half. Sorry, 10 u power half and then plus u power 2 minus half हो गया 1.5 और 3/2 कर दे du. Okay. Now we integrate this. So we have 25 u power में 1 add हो गया so half upon half plus 10 u 3/2 upon 3/2 plus u plus 1 हो गया तो 5/2 upon 5/2. So we get 25, well, okay, 50. That becomes 50 u power half. That becomes 20 by 3 u power 3/2. And that becomes 2 by 5 u power 5/2 plus c. Now I'm going to replace u with x and then substitute the limits. U will be equals to x minus 5. So replace u with x minus 5. Okay. Just give me a few minutes. So u is x minus 5. So 50 x minus 5 power half plus 20/3 x minus 5 power 3/2 plus 2/5 x minus 5 power 5/2 और प्लस c की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि definite integral है, limits हैं. So the limits were 9 and 6. Now we substitute 9 and 6. तो पहले x की जगह हम 9 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, फिर नेगेटिव साइन लगाएंगे और x की जगह 6 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे और जो भी रिजल्ट होगा दैट वुड बी आराम से करके देखते हैं. Okay, so I'm going to substitute 9 first. So 50. 9 minus 5 would be 4 power half plus 20/3 4 power 3/2 plus 2/5 4 power 5/2. इसका जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा वो हम नोट कर लेंगे और फिर we'll do the same with 6. So 6 minus 5 is just 1. 1 power half plus 20/3 1 power 3/2 plus 2/5 1 power 5/2. 1 की तो कोई भी पावर हो it's still 1. तो अब न्यूमरेटर में हमारे पास ऊपर वाली टर्म में आ गया 5 into 2 plus 20/3 into 4 पावर ये 1.5 हो गया प्लस 2/5 into 4 power 2/0.5. I'm getting 166.1333. 166.13333. अच्छा नेक्स्ट 6 सब्सटीट्यूट करके मेरे पास आ रहा है 50 प्लस 20/3 प्लस 2/5 ये आ रहा है 57.066666. So subtract these and that would be the result of integration. That gives 109.06 after rounding. हंड्रेड एंड 9.0666 आता है तो उसको 7 कर लो. Okay. Next question. बल्कि हो गया सब्सटीट्यूशन इज डन. अब हम इंशाल्लाह मंडे को इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स करेंगे और एक tan इनवर्स वाला केस रह गया वो करेंगे and then we'll be done with integration as well. That's all for today. If you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, you can go.